Hi there you guys, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you guys an amazing jewelry haul from Amazon. So I've picked up some rings, some bracelets, some nose rings as well, and most of these are like oxidized silver kind of jewelry, and I love wearing such jewelry. The only thing which I don't usually wear are jhumkas. That is because firstly I have a very small face, so I feel like jhumkas don't suit me, and secondly my ears are like super sensitive. My ear piercing is super sensitive. If I don't wear gold and if I try and एक्सपेरिमेंट विद सम अदर मटेरियल मुझे ना बहुत ज़्यादा इन्फेक्शन एंड पस वगैरह हो जाता है. सो झुमकाज नहीं है इस वीडियो में, बट यू गोना बी फाइंडिंग अमेजिंग ब्रेसलेट्स एंड रिंग्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, एंड यू नो द MRPs आर ऑफ कोर्स मोर, बट अमेजोन पे आप लोग को पता ही है कितने अमेजिंग डिस्काउंट्स एंड ऑफर्स चलते रहते हैं राउंड द ईयर. सो आई पिक्ड अप मोस्ट ऑफ दीज थिंग्स अंडर ₹400, which I feel like is great. Now, for having a oxidized jewelry collection, I don't feel like you need to spend a lot of money or you need to have 40-50 pieces. 7-8 basic pieces में आप लोग invest करो and then mix and match करके ना आप लोग पहन सकते हो with your western outfits, Indian outfits, as well as your Indo-Western outfits. So yeah, I have all these amazing items right here and I cannot hold the excitement any longer. So without any further ado, let's get started with the Amazon jewelry haul. Alright guys, let's start with today's haul, but before we start, we are super close to 1,000 subscribers, so please click on that subscribe button and be a part of my small little community. Let's start with the very first jewelry piece for today's haul. I have with me this contemporary bangle. This is what it looks like. It's basically a bracelet, but I think for me it's more like a contemporary, like a modern bangle. It has this green zirconia stone beach mein, and the body is in this rose gold, beautiful rose gold color. Now Zaveri pearls के maximum चीज़ें ना बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है. The only thing I feel like is you shouldn't wear their things like on a regular everyday basis. कभी कभी बीच में पहनो occasions में, I think बहुत लंबा चलेंगे आप लोगों को. So मैं आप लोगों को ना पहन के भी दिखाना चाहूँगी. So बहुत easily आप इसको पहन सकते हो, like adjustable sort of है. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, this looks so pretty even with what I'm wearing right now. Like it's so minimal yet so classy. I absolutely love this particular कड़ा bracelet बोल लो, contemporary bangle बोल लो, जो भी आप लोग को बोलना है. I absolutely love this contrast of the green stone and the rose gold body, and this costed me only ₹400, which is friggin' amazing for this particular piece. It's very chic, very nice, and you know very easy to style. Like फटाक से आप इसको पहन के निकल सकते हो घर से, या फिर something as tiny and portable as this can also be thrown into your handbag and you can just wear it on your way or something. So it's really nice, and I think for the price that I paid for this, it looks very expensive and luxe. I completely love this one. I am going to be linking this and all the other products that I'm showing you in today's haul in the description box below, so do check out the description box. Alright, like I was telling you guys in the intro that I don't wear too many jhumkas because I feel like I have a very small face and they don't look that good on me, but I love wearing studs, and studs भी मैं usually gold के ही पहनती हूँ, but कभी कभार for occasions like कोई पूजा है या you know कोई special occasion है तो मैं थोड़ा बहुत experiment कर लेती हूँ. So I picked up these studs. These are a set of 2. These are also from Zaveri pearls. इनका MRP है close to 2,000 rupees, that is 1,000 for each pair, but I got the set of 2 for ₹329, which is so amazing and such a nice deal. Like I was saying, Zaveri pearls has really good imitation stuff. ये वाला जो आप देख रहे हो उसके बीच में एक pearl है, and इस वाले में थोड़ा सा ये flower and you know star shape का है, and इसमें छोटे stones ऐसे हैं. So I think these you can just easily pair like with a kurta set, or even with like western outfits. I think you can easily wear this. Like even if I would have paired one of these studs with this tank top that I'm wearing today, I think बहुत ही अच्छे से match करता. So I really love this. इसका भी मैं link नीचे डाल दूंगी. You guys should definitely try this one out. This time I happened to pick up a lot of things from Zaveri pearls. The next product is also from them. I have this kada bracelet with me. ये एक silver kada bracelet है. यहाँ पे बीच में आपको embellished stones मिलेंगे, and I love this piece. This is something which is very Indo-Western in nature. आप ना इसको बहुत तरीकों से स्टाइल कर सकते हो. I really like it. It's obviously adjustable, तो आप इसको बहुत ही easily ऐसे पहन सकते हो, and I love this. I think recently मैं मॉल गई थी विवेक के साथ, and मैंने ना इसको पहना था. थोड़ा ये मेरे लिए टाइट है, बट थोड़ा सा इसको आप ओपन करोगे तो बहुत easily आपके हाथ में चला जाएगा. So this is what this looks like. I feel like it has a very unique style to it, and I love these embellished stones right here. इसका भी MRP actually is rupees 2000, but I got this for around rupees 300. सारे links नीचे रहेंगे, and I really hope कि आप लोग को भी ये सारी चीजें बहुत ही amazing prices पे मिल जाए. I completely love this piece and I just can't wait to style it, you guys. I will be mentioning इसका भी link नीचे, so do check it out for yourselves. Besides Zaveri Pearls, another great brand which makes imitation jewelry on Amazon happens to be Shining Diva, and from them I've picked up this tough bracelet. Look at that, and ये बहुत बहुत यूनिक है. I feel like if you wear this ना, आपके हाथ इतने ज़्यादा भरे हुए लगेंगे instantly कि आपको और ज़्यादा कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. It's one of those like statement pieces. Once you wear this, I don't think you need to do a lot about your look. It looks really really pretty on its own as is. तो बहुत अच्छा pick होगा अगर आप लोग एक statement piece देख रहे हो. And even Shining Diva has a number of good pieces on Amazon, you know. इसका भी हमारे around rupees 2000 hai, but I got this one for rupees 300 or 310, something like that. I absolutely love it. This is going to be reserved for those days when I throw on a top and a long skirt. I feel like this is going to be such a statement piece, and I cannot wait to style this one as well. Next up, I picked up a few pairs of nose rings. I love nose rings. मेरे nose में piercing तो नहीं है, but ये वाले आप ऐसे बस press करके wear कर सकते हो, and these look so pretty. I love this. I think Alia Bhatt was wearing a number of these in Rocky or Rani, and I feel like बहुत सूट कर रहा था आलिया पे, and I was like यार मुझे भी try करना है. So I got this set, which has 8 pairs of nose rings. I picked this up from the brand Yellow Chimes, and the sad news is कि अभी इसमें सिर्फ 7 pairs है, because मैं ना recently विवेक के साथ lunch date पे गई थी, and I had worn one of these, and वॉशरूम में कुछ फिक्स करने के टाइम पे वो मेरे हाथ से गिर गया बेसिकली. मैंने बहुत ढूंढने की कोशिश की, बट मुझे मिला ही नहीं. सो आई एम वेरी वेरी बम्ड अबाउट दैट, बट आई कांट हेल्प इट राइट नाउ. आई कांट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट. आई हैव टू बेसिकली वर्क इट आउट विद द रिमेनिंग 7 दैट आई हैव. बाय द वे, आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई वाज सेइंग pairs of nose rings till now. आप थोड़ी ना यहाँ भी पहनोगे यहाँ भी पहनोगे. So pair नहीं है, I'm so sorry. 8 nose rings were there. Right now I have 7, but आप लोग को 8 ही मिलेंगे guys, don't worry. इसका MRP I think कुछ 1100 है for all 8 of them. But it will cost you around 189 or 199, 200 के आसपास basically आपको मिल जाएगा, which I think is great. Like if you find out the price of one, I think it will come to around 25 or something. तो बहुत ही अच्छे price range पे आपको ये सारे nose rings मिलेंगे. मैं एक आप लोगों को ना ट्राई करके दिखाना चाहूंगी. If it looks good on me, I will wear it on me for the rest of this video. Okay, let me try this one. Oops. इनका ना यही प्रॉब्लम है, इतने छोटे हैं ना, हाथ से गिरते रहते हैं. Yes, अच्छे से मैंने प्रेस कर दिया है. I don't think it looks that bad actually. I think it looks pretty beautiful, pretty nice. I quite like it. I feel like this is something which will suit everyone. I think everyone can accessorize it, wear it. Sometimes it looks very very nice, and विवेक को भी ये लुक अच्छा लगा था मेरे पे. पर्सनली जो वाला नोज रिंग मैंने खोया है ना उस दिन वॉशरूम पे, वो मेरा सबसे फेवरेट था, बिकॉज ये वाला थोड़ा साइज में बड़ा है, वो वाला एकदम छोटा सा डेंटी सा था. मैं यहाँ पे एक पिक्चर लगा रही हूँ, अभी आप लोग प्लीज देखना. I miss that piece, you guys. I really miss that piece, but can't help it right now. So like I said, you will get 8 of these for rupees 200, which I think is a great deal यार. So अगर कॉलेज जाते हो, अच्छे से स्टाइल करना पसंद करते हो, and इंडो वेस्टर्न आउटफिट्स पहनते हो, definitely give this one a shot. I think these are really pretty and classy. All right, next up I have another product from this brand called Shining Diva. This happens to be an oxidized bracelet, and इसमें ना बीच में ऐसे green stones है. I completely love this one, you guys. Look at that, it's so pretty. It is oxidized and इसमें silver plating भी है. It's basically sort of Afghani style. बहुत ही pretty लग रहा है ये. I love these stones बीच में. I think they just increase and enhance the beauty of this particular bracelet. ये भी आप multiple ways में style कर सकते हो, with long skirts, kurtas, western outfits, anything and everything that you want to wear it with basically. Because this looks very very premium, so इसका I understood कि price तो ज़्यादा ही है, तो इसका MRP 2500 है, but I was very lucky I got it for rupees 360 or something. I picked these all of these jewelry during some sort of Amazon sale, so मुझे ना बहुत ही अच्छे डील्स पे मिले, बट मैं सारे लिंक्स नीचे डाल दूंगी. आई एम वेरी श्योर कि अभी भी आप लोग को अच्छे ऑफर्स पे ये सारी चीज़ें मिलेंगी, बिकॉज Amazon पे very rarely they sell things absolutely on the MRP. They always have some great discounts running. So let's hope that you're gonna get this at a great offer. I love this. I wore this very recently. एंड मुझे तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा क्लासी और ऐसे स्टाइलिश लग रहा है. ऐसे मिनिमल चीज़ें ना बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट छोड़ जाती है आई फील. सो आई कम्प्लीटली लव दिस. डू चेक दिस वन आउट एज वेल. ऑल राइट यू गाइज, you've come down to the last item, the last piece for today's video. I picked up a set of 3 oxidized silver rings from this brand called Ubella, and मैं photos of course screen पे डाल दूंगी, but I'm going to show you the rings because I have them with me obviously. So I'll show you all 3 rings one by one. Okay, this is the first one. आप लोग को रिफ्लेक्शन दिखेगा इसमें because यहाँ पे ग्लास है, so आप लोग को रिफ्लेक्शन दिखेगा. It's really really pretty. The second one, the third one is the biggest and the statement piece out of this set. This one, इसमें भी बीच में मिरर है. This one is humongous. साइज को लेके वरी मत करना because these come with adjustable size. See, this is how the big one looks on me. It's so cute and it's complementing the nose ring also so well. Today I think if I put together an Indo-Western look and I go out for a lunch date or for a coffee, it will be amazing. बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है actually. Let's try out the other 2 and show them to you as well. This is the second one. I quite like this one as well. बहुत pretty है. And the third one, this one, I think this is my favorite. Okay, इनका प्राइस सुनोगे तो पागल हो जाओगे. MRP of course is more than $1,000. Okay, 1200 या 1300 ऐसा कुछ है. But I paid only rupees 200 for a set of 3 rings. Can you beat that, you guys? I think हमारे respective cities के जो local markets होते हैं ना, वहाँ पे भी ये सारी rings आपको इतने सस्ते नहीं मिल सकते. It's absolutely impossible. I absolutely love these rings. I'm gonna mix and match these with my outfits and I'm so excited to style these. I picked up all these 3 for just rupees 200. मतलब per piece मुझे 60-65 के पड़े ये. I think absolutely पैसा वसूल product. Ubella also has like number of good jewelry. So I told you guys about 4 brands in today's videos: Zaveri Pearls, Shining Diva, Ubella and येलो चाइम्स. सो आप ये चारों ब्रांड से ज्वेलरी ट्राई आउट कर सकते हो. आज मैंने आप लोगों को कुछ 7-8 चीज़ें दिखाई एंड सारी डिफरेंट चीज़ें थे. रिंग्स थे, नोज रिंग्स थे, ब्रेसलेट्स थे, कफ ब्रेसलेट्स थे, बैंगल ब्रेसलेट्स थे. तो आप लोग को अगर ये वीडियो देख के मजा आया, प्लीज लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड लेट मी नो आप लोग का सबसे फेवरेट पीस कौन सा था. कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर कमेंट करके मुझे बताना. आई विल सी यू वेरी वेरी सून इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन टेक केयर, लोड्स एंड लोड्स ऑफ लव यू गाइस. बाय बाय.